Okay, so I'm not big on store-bought biscuits because I make my own from scratch, but I'm going to try to make these donuts. I've been seeing a lot of people make donuts from biscuits. I'm going to try it for you guys and I'll let you know how it is. Okay, stay tuned. Let's roll, I guess. Okay, I got the biscuits right now. I'm only going to do 3 at a time. I don't want to use the whole can to do the donuts. The remaining biscuits, I'm actually going to stovetop cook them. I saw somewhere, I forgot the lady's name. I'll make sure I give her credit. Show where you can make your biscuits in the skillet stovetop. So I'm going to try that for you guys, okay? But we're only going to do these 3 at a time, okay, for the sake of time, okay? So here we go. The oil in the pot here. Okay, I'm just rolling them out just a little bit here. No, I don't have a rolling pan. Don't judge. LOL. Go ahead and use the water bottle. It's okay to make for the holes. It's okay, guys. Okay, so it should be 1 minute on each side. So one thing you have to do with this recipe, be very careful. Don't cook it too fast. Make sure, because you want to make sure the inside is done. So I'm going to turn this over in about 30 more seconds. Okay, now for the glaze, this is 1 cup of powdered sugar. I'm just going to add 1 cap of my vanilla. And add about, I don't know, maybe about 2 tablespoons of water. Alright, while the donuts is cooling down, I'm going to make the stovetop biscuits. By the way, the donuts is pretty good. The donuts is donutting. I can still taste that it's a biscuit, but it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Okay, and got the biscuits ready to be cooked stovetop. All right, this is parchment paper I have cut in a circle. I'm going to put the lid on, and I'm actually going to turn the fire down very low. Okay, let's get it very, very low. Low is about right there. Give it about 20 minutes. So what's going to happen in this process, I watched a couple of YouTube videos on this, is that you want to cook this slow. Make sure the skillet is cool or cold. I put the skillet in the refrigerator for a few minutes. So what's going to happen when this starts steaming, it's gonna rise. You're going to take the lid off and then flip them on the other side. So stay tuned. This is my first time. Let's see how this goes. Okay, now I just flip these over and I'm going to put the top back on. Here's the top back on. Now I'm going to do another maybe 5 minutes and stovetop biscuits will be done. Another alternative to turning on your oven, especially in the summertime. And there you have it. Biscuits are done. I put the butter on it so the butter's all melted in there. So there you have it, stovetop biscuits. So for my fire sauce recipe, real easy. I got the hot peppers here. Half of a red onion cut up and about 2 garlic cloves. So this is going to go into my fire sauce recipe or hot sauce. To make the brine is real easy. I did 1 cup of water and about a 1/3 cup of apple cider vinegar. You can use white vinegar, so I'm just going to use apple cider vinegar. Okay, here's the mixture. I add 1 tablespoon of salt, and I add a half a teaspoon of sugar. That's all I need. And I'm going to let this sit on the fire here and let that come to a boil. Once that comes to a boil, I'm going to stir it up. And then, excuse me. And I have my jar ready, my clean mason jar. That's where the mixture is going to go into. So stay tuned. Pour this in and let this cool. If you're a lover of spicy, you'll love this recipe. But honestly, I'm gonna tell you, it's pretty hot. Oh, it's burning my eyes. Whew. So once this cooled down, I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and let it maybe chill up about a couple of hours before using it. Then once I do that, I'm going to add probably a couple of tablespoons of olive oil or avocado oil. Just mix it in. You'll have your own fire sauce. So there you have it. All right, now let's make some whipped cream from scratch. Okay, so I'm gonna put in, I got one, this is the second teaspoon of powdered sugar. Throw it in. I'm gonna actually blend this in the magic bullet there. Real simple. 1 cup of heavy cream, and actually the recipes are usually on the side too. Got 1 cup of heavy cream. I use 1 cap of the vanilla. I use the good vanilla. I love the Watkins, so that's what I use. And then 2 tablespoons of the powdered sugar. So I'm going to just blend this up till it reaches its peak, and then I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for about a half an hour to chill. Here we go. There's your whipped cream. I'm just going to put it in the refrigerator, let it chill for half an hour. And you can use it to put on your cakes and your desserts. And ready for the refrigerator. Whew, I hope you guys enjoyed these stretch your food tips. I will be bringing more, so stay tuned.